The Karnataka BJP has raised objections to the Congress government's decision to allocate a significant sum of Rs 32 crores for the safeguarding of Waqf properties. This move comes at a time when the state is grappling with a severe drought and a critical shortage of drinking water. Prominent BJP member Yatnal took to the social media expressing concerns and questions the government's priorities. In a tweet posted on X platform, Yatnal questioned the denial of drought relief to farmers while funds were being directed towards the protection of Waqf properties. Yatnal emphasized that instead of addressing the pressing needs of drought-stricken farmers, the state government appears to be focused on constructing a compound for the protection of Waqf properties. He raised concerns about the government's priorities and questioned the urgency in safeguarding Waqf property amidst the state's difficulties. Yatnal suggested that such actions might be perceived as appeasement politics. The BJP representative also cited the words of Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, highlighting the level of illiteracy within the Congress party. The critique implies a broader concern about the allocation of funds and the decision-making process during a time of crisis in the state.
I welcome the move of the government to protect the government properties. Good. But they should protect all, not only Waqf property, they should protect all property. It is not only one place, one section or one society. They need to address the concern of all the government properties. Every government property they need to protect. It is not just politics, vote bank politics, appeasement politics, divisive politics. This is somewhere they are trying time and again. This kind of divisive politics of the Congress is really condemnable. They are trying to, play with the sentiment, vote bank politics. They are always biased. So I call upon the government, if you are protecting property, protect all government property. Fence all the property. That it is a good intention, then protect. That is what I call upon, I request upon the government and this Congress government in the state of Karnataka.
See, every department has got a way to develop things. So from the department, if they have done, so that we can also keep on checking all the issues. Basically, it's the timing is right for that because elections are nearby. So that's why there is such issues.
See, BJP is shameless. They are shameless to an extent. They can bring anything and everything into a communal angle. First, I want to ask the BJP, why are you reducing our share in the central taxes? You don't want to give our share. And these very BJP leaders who are talking about communal angle, Waqf property, all that, have no guts to ask their central leadership, why are you reducing our share, Karnataka's share, Kannadiga's share in the central taxes and devolution? One. Two, Waqf is a semi-government property. All the money which will be spent, although small, is part of the total budget in Karnataka. Same ways we give it to Mozarai, same way we give it to Waqf, same way we give to other department. So to escape there, central BJP government's vengeance against Kannadigas by reducing the central tax devolution to us, these people are creating. They are good masters in creating communal discord. BJP's only achievement is lighting fire into a peaceful society.
Listen to me, every time the BJP is trying to polarize the things. 140 crore people of this country, they are all in fact nationalists. Every community, they deserve a share in the government allocations. So incidentally, minorities have also got that share. It doesn't mean that it's an appeasement or something like that. They do all appeasement and they do all illegal activities and they do favoritism, nepotism, all other things, and they blame the opposition parties. That is their way out. And it is unfortunate that sometimes even the all falsehood will look like truth. Truth will look like falsehood, but time will come when real truth will come out.